Hello students, I am Jaidev Hajwani, a faculty member at Pravegaa Education Institute. Our institute is going to organize a 1 month long crash course for CSIR net exam for physical sciences going to held in December 2023. So in this program, I am going to teach you the electronics part. So the most of your exam problems comes from this part of the syllabus, that is semiconductor devices and digital electronics. Always there will be 3 to 4 questions, and this subject is quite scoring. So I advise the student to must focus and prepare for this part of the syllabus. So during this program, I'm going to revise your syllabus through solving previous year problems. Our focus will be mainly concept building. We'll also discuss the time management part also. So how can a student utilize their time during the exam and when they are preparing for the exam. And we'll also focus on the accuracy part, because students are doing very silly or small mistakes during the exam. So how to avoid those mistakes, we'll discuss that also in the course. And at the end of this course, we will be providing you previous year questions with solutions, a separate formula sheet, and a test will be conducted. A separate test will be conducted topic wise once we finish the topic. So I hope this course going to be highly beneficial for the student who are aspiring to crack this year CSIR net exam. So I encourage more and more students to join this program and get benefited. So all the best. Thank you very much.